Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. Welcome to Forward Public School e-learning class 4th. I am your general science teacher. My name is Sadia Saeed. Now let's start chapter number 1 of your midterm syllabus, Understanding Ourselves, part 5th, book exercises plus written work. Students, you have to start your copy work now. Write midterm on the first page of your copy. Come to the next page, write serial number here and date here. Then give the heading of capital letters. Make 4 columns for writing capital letters A to Z. Capital letters must be written in the first 3 lines, then draw the finishing line. Come to the next page, write serial number here and date here, then give the heading of small letters in the first line. Make 4 columns, write small letters A to Z, then draw the finishing line. Come to the next page, write serial number here and date here, then give the heading of sky letters. Write sky letters B, D, F, H, K, L and T. Draw the finishing line. Sky letters must be written in the first 3 lines. Then give the heading of grass letters. Write grass letters A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X and Z. Draw the finishing line. Grass letters must be written in the middle of 4 lines. Then give the heading of root letters. Write root letters G, J, P, Q, Y and Z. Then draw the finishing line. Root letters must be written in the last 3 lines. To the next page. Write serial number here and date here. Then write contents in the first line. Number 1, understanding ourselves. Number 2, matter and its states. Number 3, heat and its measurements. Number 4, introduction to sound. Draw the finishing line. These chapters are included in your midterm syllabus. Come to the next page, write serial number here and date here. Then write chapter number 1 in the first line. In the second line, write the name of the chapter, that is understanding ourselves. In the third line, write contents. Number 1, words meanings 5. Number 2, short question answers 5. Number 3, long question answers 3. Number 4, diagram of external structure of eye, page 9. Number 5, fill in the blanks 5. Number 6, choose the correct answer 10 on book, page 13. Number 7, activities on book, page 15. Number 8, label the following diagrams on book, page 15. Then draw the finishing line. Come to next page, write serial number here and date here. Write chapter number 1 in the first line. In the second line, the name of the chapter, that is understanding ourselves. Make 2 columns for writing words meanings. Draw a line in the center. Write words and meanings. Number 1, human body, insani jism. Number 2, minerals, madaniyat. Number 3, muscles, pathe. Number 4, tissue, khuliya. Number 5, movement, harkat. Draw the finishing line. Give the heading of short question answers. Write question number 1. Brain is the most important organ of the body. Why? Answer number 1. Brain is the most important organ of body. Number 2. It controls all the functions of our body. Number 3. It is called boss of our body. Draw the finishing line. Question number 2. What role is played by lungs in breathing? Answer number 1. Lungs help in inhalation of oxygen from the air. Number 2. Lungs also get rid of carbon dioxide when we breathe out. Draw the finishing line. Serial number here and date here. Question number 3. Differentiate between milk teeth and permanent teeth. Make 2 columns for writing milk teeth and permanent teeth. Give the heading of milk teeth here and permanent teeth here. Number 1, milk teeth appears after 7 months of age. Permanent teeth appears after 7 years of age. Number 2, milk teeth fall down after 7 years of age. Permanent teeth fall off in old age. Draw the finishing line. Question number 4, how can we keep our heart healthy? Answer: to keep our heart healthy, we should keep these things in mind. A. Regular exercise. B. Healthy eating habits. Number C. Avoid fatty foods. Number D. Avoid smoking. Number C. Maintain weight. Number F. Reduce and manage stress. Draw the finishing line. Question number 5. What is retina? Answer: number 1, it is innermost layer of human eye. Number 2, it contains nerves. Number 3, it is located at the back of the eye. Number 4, it is connected to brain through optic nerve. Draw the finishing line. Write serial number here and date here. Give the heading of long question answers. Question number 1. Explain the functions of bones in a human body. Answer: functions of bones. Give the heading of functions of bones, then write the following are the main functions of bones. Number A, give the heading of protection. Write number 1, skull protects brain. Number 2, rib cage protects heart. Number 3, pelvis bones protect intestines and reproductive organs. Then give the heading of support, that is B. Number 1, bones provide framework for the attachment of muscles and other tissues. Give the heading of movement, C. Number 1, bones enable body movement by acting as a lever and point of attachment. Number D, blood cell production. Give the heading of blood cell production. Number 1, blood cells are produced in red bone marrow, which is found in the bone cavities. Draw the finishing line. Question number 2, describe the composition of human body. Give the heading of human body. Answer: the human body is like a machine where different body parts work together. Number A, cell. Cell is the basic building unit of any living organisms, like brick is a basic building unit of a brick wall. Number B, tissue. Combination of similar cells make tissue. A particular tissue performs a particular function. Number C, organ. Tissue associate together to form an organ, for example, stomach. Number D, organ system. Different organs combine to form an organ system, for example, digestive system. Number E, organism. Organ systems coordinate to form an organism, for example, human. Draw the finishing line. Serial number here and date here. Question number 3, describe the external structure of eye. Answer: eye. The sense organ react to light and forms an image is called eye. External part, this part of eye is made up of 3 layers. Number 1, sclera. It is a tough white sheet around the outside of eyeball. This part is also known as white part of the eye. Number 2, pupil. It appears as a black dot in the middle of the eye. This black dot is actually a hole from where light enters into the eye. Number 3, iris. It is the area of the eye that contains coloring material which gives color to eye. It also maintains the amount of light which enters to the eye. Draw the finishing line. Draw a diagram of external structure of eye. On the next page, it is given on page 9 in book. Label it with 3 layers: sclera, pupil, iris, and also color it. Write external structure of eye at the end. Draw the finishing line. Students, draw a diagram like this. Come to the next page. Write serial number here and date here. Give the heading of fill in the blanks. Number 1, the walls of stomach are made up of dash tissues, smooth. Number 2, dash secretes sweat to maintain body temperature, sweat glands. Number 3, outer protective layer of eye is dash, sclera. Number 4, dash is the largest part of brain, cerebrum. Number 5, semicircular canals of middle ear concerned with dash of body, balance. Draw the finishing line. Students, this is the end of chapter number 1. Hope you have understood this chapter. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.